Question number 15. 15 is a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So a vertical pole. This is the vertical pole of 6 meter height. Cast a shadow. Where the shadow will fall, it is on the ground. Cast a shadow 4 meter length. Understood? Vertical pole. Shadow is, if we stand like this, our shadow is falling on the floor only. Okay, ground only. At the same time, a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. 28 meter long. What is the height of the tower? That is the question. Okay. So here what happened, we didn't get a particular triangle. So you have to form a triangle. A, B, C, P, Q, R. This angle is 90, this is also 90. Why? Because it is given that this is vertical. Vertical means 90. Tower always vertical to the ground. So this is also 90. Okay. Now our aim is to prove that these two triangles are similar first. For proving two triangles are similar, we have to consider two angles. So one we already got. Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 90. Why? Both are vertical to the ground. Now in the question there is one word, at the same time. We are finding or we are calculating the length of the shadow at the same time. So this particular angle we can call as sun's altitude. What is the name of that angle? Sun's altitude. At the same time we are calculating the length. So sun's altitude will be equal. So angle C equal to angle R. What is the reason? Sun's altitude at the same time. So what we can tell? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, AA similarity criteria. So when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. So we are applying 6 by 4 is equal to AB by PQ. 6 by H is equal to 4 divided by 28. So 4 and 28 we can cancel. 7 cross multiply, you will get H is equal to 6 into 7, that is 42 meters. So height of the tower is equal to 42 meters.